Yes, it is true. The home market belongs to millennials. These are the people who are buying, and if you're a millennial, kudos to you for entering into the home buying market. And I'm speaking to people who are thinking of selling to you guys. So many times I take out my millennials and they are just disappointed. So guys, if you're thinking of selling your home, what are millennials looking for? What are next gen buyers looking for? Well, I've got my National Association of Realtor to-do list here, my checklist, and the number one thing is an amazing kitchen. People are on Instagram and they're looking at creating amazing recipes. That is huge. Number 2 and 3 are outdoor spaces. Outdoor spaces are huge for like guys, like we all have our little fur babies. Number 3 are updated interiors. Like millennials ain't nobody got time for renovations, and they're not interested in potential. So those are my top 3 tips that millennials are looking for. Get to work.